Good day everyone and welcome to Wednesday live trading session. So we had some nice moves this weekend. A lot of our trades from session recap went into profits. Euro dollar went in profit. I basically traded euro dollar and pound dollar, also pound yen. So we had a lot of good setups from Monday, and now at this point market has changed a bit, but it's normal because when you trade intraday or intra-week, we are actually, as traders, interested to trade both ways. We don't have any bias for trading. Really, whether it will go up or down for us is the same because we trade both ways, right? And that is a good thing to do. And another great thing with forex market is that you can trade it both ways. You are not dependent on any bias, on any long-term trend. Basically intraday trend and intra-week trend changes, so our positions also change. So let's see today. I have prepared some of pending orders, of course, and gold. We will also trade gold. I have a setup for it. Let's see. First, we will go with risk disclaimer, and then I will proceed with setups. Risk disclaimer first. CFD and forex trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. This presentation and video is for informational and educational purposes only, and have in mind that online educational materials are available by markets only for a global audience, and this is not a part of the .co.uk website, but the globalnews.com website. Okay, so have in mind, whatever you do, whatever you trade, whatever you want to trade, patience is the key to trading success. You need to be patient. You need to be ready for to wait for a setup. You cannot blindly enter setup just because you think something will happen. There is no thinking. There is only action and reaction. And finally, rules and setups for live trading. We will use POC zones, master candle setups, bull waves, price action. It's my personal opinion on trades, so don't judge me and my trading setups from other positions or other websites that offer positions or signals. This is what I do. I don't read them. I really not interested to read other people trading setups because it might mess with my own, and I don't. I only trust my guns. It's always you need to trust your own guns, and that is the correct way to trade. That is why I teach you to trade properly, to trust yourself, and to see the logic behind trading setups. We don't scalp here, so positional or breakout trading, that is what we do. No setup, no trade. Simple as that. That is why we can use pending orders. If we don't see a setup or a trade during live webinar, we still have 2 days for our pending order to hit. So that is why I suggest paying attention. Also, it's very useful to be live here on my webinar because these setups are valid today, tomorrow, and early Friday morning. Once you're in a trade, you need to do your own management. You need to watch the price. Remember, there is no set and forget. It simply doesn't work. Today, set and forget. Market conditions have changed a lot in the last 10 years. So set and forget simply, well, non-existent, especially because we do intraday and intra-week trading. More chance to trade, but still you need to develop, you need to use more time to protect your trade and to actually see where your trade is going. Okay, recommended risk 0.5% to 1% per trade. My advice, don't exceed 2% per trade. Usually start with low risk, and then if you lose the first setup, you can always have another or the third setup while still being within the risk threshold. That is what I always do, and that is what actually has brought me the success in forex trading. Of course, having good entries is very extremely important, but then again, you need to use proper money management, because money management is definitely the most important thing out of all most important things considering trading. You want to trade like professionals do. I don't teach you to trade like retail traders. I want you to be professionals. Have in mind that losing is part of the business. Keep your risk under control. It's normal, guys, to lose. And this is trading. I mean, again, you're trading intraday and intra-week. Losses are normal, perfectly normal. And losses are very manageable as long as you have your system under control, good entries, accurate entries, and of course, proper risk control. Leverage is great thing. Remember what I'm saying, guys. Leverage is an excellent thing. I trade with 1 to 500 leverage. If I had the opportunity to use 1 to 5,000 leverage, really, I mean, hypothetically speaking, right, I would do it. Because leverage is good as long as you keep your emotions under control. Remember, it exists to give you the edge in trading. And a lot of times, big leverage actually saved me from some bigger drawdown. That is why you should think of leverage in a good way. But don't use maximum leverage for each trade. You know, guys, you have a grid method for your money management. Start with low risk and just simply add a little bit more of a risk every time you lose, but don't exceed that 5%. Allow to from, let's say, 15 to 30% maximal drawdown on your account. It should be like that, and you should be safe. But then again, it's up to you. Everyone has their own rules how to do money management. If I'm speaking to gamblers, they wouldn't listen, definitely. They always think they should trade with big leverage, high risk. They want to make money fast. If you want to trade like professionals, then keep your risk under control, and you should be definitely safe in the long run. Remember, session recaps are from Monday to Wednesday. Pending orders, market order, what we do here is they are valid from today until Friday. Friday is the day to take profits. So usually intraday and intra-week traders prefer to take profits during Friday, because Friday is a profit-taking day, and they don't want to risk anything happening over the weekend. You can have different accounts. I advise you to open different accounts. My brokers of choice is Admiral Markets, of course, and I have a lot of accounts there. I simply like to trade also from low accounts, because for me, it's very, how can I say, I'm fulfilled also when I make from 200-300 euros, when I make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's not big money, but you know, it's a kind of personal success to make an account triple, quadruple, or 10 times higher. It's a good thing. Bigger accounts, of course, are for withdrawing the money from, and to actually have another leverage, diversified portfolio, because you want to diversify your risk. That is why you can have different accounts, different money management rules for each account. And the trading is simply the thing that I enjoy the most. Really, I'm a big fan. I'm not just an ordinary John Doe or retail trader. I trade on different accounts, and this is what I like. This is what I enjoy, and I will do it until I'm an old guy, probably. So you will see me a lot here in this forex market and generally financial market. Friday is day to take profits. Use profit stops, and of course follow me on Torrential FX. My Twitter handle Follow me on Facebook, whatever you want. I also opened Instagram profile not long ago. It's like maybe 15, 20 days ago. I will post some interesting stuff and so on and so on. Yeah. So trading opportunity gold. Okay, this is the first trading opportunity. Now watch the screen. I will go with some comments. Angel is saying, "I love you, Nenad. You are the best." Thank you, Angel. Christian, not all gamblers, Nenad. I play poker full time, and for example, I play $200 per table with a bankroll of minimum 50 rebuy. You need to respect bankroll management to be successful. Indeed, Christian. I actually played poker a lot of times in my past, but I can say I'm much better trader than I am a poker player. I didn't have that success in poker. Maybe I prefer to read market, not people's emotions. That they can be tricky. So market for me is still better. Okay, Angel is saying you are Vin Diesel. Well, yeah, a lot of people actually see some resemblance between the actor and me. Marco is saying hi. Yeah, okay. 2% risk on poker, Christian. Great, that's great. You're keeping your money on the safe side, definitely. So let's see, guys. Let's see this gold trading opportunity. I think I will short gold, definitely. There are two ways to short gold. Why? Because we have a wolf wave setup. And now let me show you a wolf wave setup on gold. Very interesting setup. I will open my live chart. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, here it is. Live chart gold. Here. This is gold. Okay. And now there are some potential waves, bull waves, going on here. Let me chart bull wave for you. Okay, the 0.2, guys, is here. You see, we have ATR confluence with the lowest point here. Where is the 0.1 then? The 0.1 is the swing beat before 0.2. So this is 0.1. Okay, 0.3 is here, 0.2 is here, 0.1 is here, and 0.4 is definitely here. So this is a wolf wave. 0.5 is currently running. So we will short it in the confluence zone, or we will short at the breakout of 0.1 to 3. So this is 0.1 to 3. Now this is 0.4. Let me chart this. 0.4 is here. Okay. 0.1, 0.2. Okay, I will mark it now. And 0.2 to 4 is here. Okay. So let me mark this here. 0.2. We always start from 0.2. Then we have 0.1. 0.1 is here. 0.3 is here. This is bearish wolf wave. Okay. 0.3 is here. Let me mark this 0.3. And 0.4, after the 0.3, when price drops and spikes, this is it. If you don't know what wolf waves are, then please read my blog on Almira Markets about wolf waves. I like these waves. And I have few ways to trade it. 0.5, this is 0.5, guys. You see, this is, this is 0.5. It's going up now, but now where would we short this? If I see a nice momentum below 0.1 to 3, I would go for a short trade. So here, okay, this could be a nice short trade if it happens. And if we still see 0.5, it's clear on my chart. 1268.11. 1268.11. Okay, so somewhere around this region. Okay, somewhere around here, you see? A lot of confluence here, ATR pivot, or we can actually go higher if the price spikes. But somewhere between here, I would go for a short trade. Pivot point easily just switch time frames and pivot point is fixed. You see, these are weekly pivots, these are daily pivots, and it's pretty much easy here. So here, this is much better confluence for a positional bull wave short. So I would go for, well, let's see, 1268 or 1269. We will decide. We will decide where to short gold. Also, maybe we could use a breakout, but you need to know that 0.4 target is not that far away. So we don't have much room for the price to move. So we will need to be fast, keeping the stop loss above 0.3. Let's see what will happen. There should be sound. Angel, the sound is okay. Sound is okay. You should hear me. I think the sound is okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait. I will leave this chart and I will be paying attention to this. So let's move like this. Okay, this is 0.5 now. Simply, okay, this is, you see, with this kind of, I will remove all these numbers I already showed you. So it's easy. 0.2, 0.1, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 is currently running. So if the price breaks here, this is estimated time at arrival. So the price could go down and we could sell it here. Let's see. Let's wait. Or maybe we will sell it here. Let's wait to see what will happen. So the first possible entry is there. Maybe we can short it from here, this region. I have the best confluence at daily H4 and this pivot point ATR, so I would prefer to short it from here. But maybe we will see a breakout set up here. Let's wait. I don't have anything in mind to short it from here. We need to see the breakout first. Okay, so that is it. Trading opportunity on gold, another opportunity to trade euro dollar. Now the trend has switched to the buy side. If you traded euro dollar from session recap setup, then you know that we actually had some nice trade on euro dollar long. Now the price is going, we might see a breakout. So on euro dollar side, I think we might also go for a potentially long trade here because this is inverted head and shoulders. I will go for a small trade now, possibly adding, okay, I will buy here now. At this point, this looks like a potential breakout here. I will keep my stop loss tight. You know that I like to make some sort of trades like this. So my stop loss will be 11.90. So my stop loss is 11.90. I'm going for this potential breakout. I did a lot, some nice trades today also on pound dollar, so I can afford to risk profits. You see what I'm speaking currently. This is actually neckline here, but what I see here is that this trend line is broken. Retested buyers are there. Also, guys, if you make a Fibonacci expansion from 0.1 point here 2, and we have here, if you know that this 61.8 is very good when price breaks it and then retests it. So I think that we could see actually some breakouts from this point. It already broke through. Now it seems like it's a retest, and I'm sure if it breaks it up, it has the potential to go to 1260. So I am currently in some sort of a trade on euro dollar, keeping the stop tight. very small risk on this. I'm totally relaxed. I always repeat it when I trade. So that is why you can see me trading on live account, really. This could go up, and I will keep my stop loss at 11.88, very small risk. So 90 plus 2 pips of spread, although the spread is very low on ECN. So yeah, here. Now you see, let's use mini terminal here. Just give me a few seconds. So I'm keeping this trade now. Price action to its full extent. This is price action to its full extent. Really, what I think here is that euro dollar could go up, and there I would short it probably around 12.81. Now we can also add a pivot here. This is now total price action from our price action trading school. I also show you how to use Fibonacci expansion on my last blog. So please read my last blog, previous blog that I wrote on Admiral Markets, and you will see also one of the reasons why I like to use those Fibonacci extensions and these ratios. You see here the price is trying to break it. Inner trend line has been broken. The price is above daily H3. It suggests the bullish market. We also have inverted head and shoulders here. This is inverted head and shoulders, left head, right. If you went long from this spot also, you could make some nice profits. Now this is purely breakout trading. So let's see, this is breakout trade, not a positional, but rather a breakout trade on euro dollar. My entry is 12.21, stop loss 11.88, potential target. This is where I see confluence. Okay, so here in between 12.60 and 12.80 is potential target. So let's see what will happen. But I think that euro dollar has been sold, as I originally said. The target has been made here, but the price now is above weekly L3. It's above daily H3. So this looks bullish to me, especially because of this head and shoulders. Perfect, almost perfect inverted head and shoulders. So this is the trade that I'm currently in. Now let's see another setup, dollar yen. Yes, another dollar yen trade setup, potential short trade. Yeah, gold is going down. I might open now a small short on gold. Yeah, gold is indeed going down. It's breaking below. So wait. Let me see gold once more. It's trying to go down indeed, and well, it's wriggling, but we can make a small short. Okay. Gold trade short setup entered here. This is again. Wait. Let me check something. Yeah. Wait. I forgot to put the sell on gold. Oh, wait. Sell on gold. Yes, I'm in a sell position. This goes per rules of trading bull waves. So let's see. There is some room to the downside. Estimated time is here. Breakout of 1 to 3 happened there. My entry was here. Let's see what gold will give us. I will put my stop loss here. Another small risk trade. I mean, you need to be patient. You cannot expect that when you enter a trade, the price immediately goes to your favor. As I say, patience is the key to training success. So now this goes per rules. I mean, I'm always go with my rules. If I said I would sell, why wouldn't I sell? I mean, what's the problem with that? So here, okay, so this is Confluence. 1268 is my stop loss. 12, let me just enter the stop loss, and then 1268. Okay, very clear. Let's see if the price will proceed down. This is a bull wave setup. Okay, so we also have Confluence here. Yeah, so let's see. Final TP is here, 1263.45. Okay, so sell on gold, buy on euro dollar. Marco is asking for Euro New Zealand. I will take a look. Valerio is asking what I think about. What's the address of my blog? I will open it right away. Here, if you come to admiralmarkets.com, you just need to go to education, to analytics, and then traders blog. Analytics, traders blog, click here, and this is it. A lot of nice blogs. I hope that you will like it, so feel free to read it. Harmonic trading, a new approach to bull wave trading, and also I prepared a blog. I will publish it probably today, new one, so stay tuned. So this is it. Let's see what will happen. Now actually we have two positions. We have a short on gold. Gold is retreating a bit, but also euro dollar is going up. So let's see. Euro dollar is up. Gold is down, but it tries to go up. So our short entry was here. Still, this is nothing. I mean, price is not going. I will be looking and paying attention to this level, 1260 to 1280. Let's see where the price will go, but I might protect my profits also. So let's see. I am very patient with this, so I'm not in hurry. Let's wait. Now we go to some questions. Euro New Zealand. Wait. Let me open the chart. Euro New Zealand. Okay, here. I will open. Here. Okay, this is Euro New Zealand. This was bullish. So basically, this was bullish pattern. You see the pattern here. It's called three drives. Bullish pattern here. And if you went long, you could have made nice pips here on this pattern, because this is indeed a bullish pattern, and you could have made your entry exactly after the break of this hammer high. You see, this is the hammer, and it was straight above L3, no-brainer trade. So if you went in a Euro New Zealand, here your entry, this was no-brainer trade, and target could be even higher, even above this master candle here. Yeah. Okay, the question, what do you think about Australian dollar for our sell? Australian dollar, I was actually going long all this week, making some small profits on Australian dollar. And again, if you followed my session recap and analysis, you know that I was buying the dips on Australian dollar. So you have 5-0 pattern here. This is 5-0 on 1 hour. Also, this looks like inverted head and shoulders. I wouldn't go for a sell trade now. If I go on 4 hour, a sell trade, let's see, sell trade, I would sell it a little bit higher. Although this could be a potential rejection because the price couldn't break through H3. So I would go for a possible sell, let's say a little bit later. Although it could be a sell trade indeed. But you know what's the problem with Australian dollar? It's very slow. It's very, very slow. So 4-hour time frame, I mean, in order to trade a 4-hour time frame, you really need to be, how can I say, very, very, very patient for any kind of profit because the price is very slow on Australian dollar, very slow. So I don't know really. I closed all my longs on Australian dollar. I'm neutral now, simply because I was stopped out for some profit here when price started to reject, and I was buying every single dip. I am enough really with Australian dollar. The problem here is 4-hour is also bullish, so you really need to make this properly. The only way I would try to go with a sell is if it gets there, 75.31. Until then, I'm not selling Australian dollar. Yeah, this is definitely the zone. You see sellers, historical sellers here, and now moment could also reject the price. So yeah, let's see, but that is what I would go for if the price gets there. Another question, what I think about pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, let's see. Yeah, the range is really big on pound New Zealand. One of the best pairs to trade. You had master candle breakout on pound New Zealand. This was the master candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The third candle broke and made some nice breakout to the downside. From perspective of pound New Zealand, this could make inverted head and shoulders getting there and then spiking to the upside. So this looks like it could go up. Yeah, to me, this looks like it could go up. Okay. Yeah, we also had divergence, so it could go up indeed. Especially because this is, you see, this is L5, and also it was at support. On daily, okay, I don't trade daily time frames, but I can take a look. Also on daily time frame, if it closes like this could be a spike to the upside indeed, because this could be a bullish close on daily. So yeah, you need to pay attention for that. You need to wait for a daily close on daily. The question, EURGBP. Yeah, bullish patterns on EURGBP. I think if euro dollar goes up, EURGBP will go up too. So a bit, for me, a bit, this is the pair that is a bit, it can be nasty. It doesn't have a big ATR, but it usually follows the euro more than GBP, because if euro goes up, euro GBP goes up. If euro dollar drops, then euro GBP is dropping too. I'm not that much into euro GBP, really. Simply because the range is low. It's like you're trading euro dollar. It's like euro dollar double exposure. It as I say, if euro dollar is going up, this will go up. If euro dollar is falling, then this will drop. So it's a bit, it's euro GBP, but still the range is very low, and it's ranging. The price is ranging. I'm not that into euro GBP trades. Euro yen. Euro yen. Let's see euro yen. Cup with candle here. And of course, bullish breakout. Cup with candle. You see V-shaped reversal, but then candle. Cup with candle. So you see, in order to proceed to the upside, more to the upside, it needs to break this trend line. It needs to make a push to the upside. At this point, it's retreating. It made some small breakout, but it's retreating at this point. So currently we have two trades running. Euro dollar long, it's at the entry point, and also gold, it's like break even. So we still are waiting for the price to develop, and I'm waiting still. Very low risk on trade. We have our stop loss. We also have our TP. Let's wait. So you see the price is around our entry point. 1221 was entry. Stop loss is here, and we are waiting for the price to develop some movement. It's at resistance, but as I say, previous candle was bullish, broke through inner trend line. It should be rejected yet again. We are always patient, and we wait for the price to develop. Very small profit on sell trade here. So you see, basically the price it's like it's going nowhere at this point. Australian dollar yen. Let's see Australian dollar yen. Question about Australian dollar yen. Yeah, for sure. Let's see. Usually this pair moves the best during Tokyo session. Tokyo session can move Australian dollar yen a lot, especially Nikkei equity, Nikkei index. And here, inverted head and shoulders. This is inverted head and shoulders. This is master candle range. So you already had some small spike from the bottom of the right shoulder. What can I say is the price could go up. Stronger upside is expected if it breaks 89, 96, let's say it's 83. And if this fails, this could go down. Trade. You see it's breaking to this trend line, so this could be a failed inverted head and shoulders. This could be a failed inverted head and shoulders. Okay, pound yen, next question. If you followed my analysis on pound yen, you know that I told you that you could actually go short on under analytics, technical analysis. If you shorted somewhere here, you could make some nice profits on pound yen. Angel, Nenad, do you think that the pending home sales report will move gold? Well, yes, basically, we will see. Of course, every news can move gold also. So you need to be patient, as I say, and see what will happen. The price is currently ranging. Sorry, I can roll slides, but currently we are having two trades. There is no point in rolling slides now because the only slide that is left is dollar yen. We have euro dollar. I'm already in a buy position. You can, and I moved my buy trade, and this is now stop loss. 1188 is my stop loss. Maybe if my stop loss is hit, I can open another trade. Let's see. I would do it because I trade with very low risk. So, but I would sell definitely. If the price gets to 1282, I would sell. Gold is already in a sell trade, and dollar yen is pending sell order. So I'm waiting now. Really, I'm waiting. Euro dollar is 3 pips in drawdown. Gold is at entry point. So basically, we are waiting for price to develop. Currently, we don't see any big movement. So, well, you know, I mean, you see, I have some small profits. I would finally close my trade here. But as I say, it's more like I'm break even on these two trades. So still waiting for the price to make its move. Okay. Okay, now pound dollar. I see price spike up. Good moment to sell from 2860. I will open pound dollar chart. Yeah, I still need to see the swing here. 2860 is indeed resistance because it's master candle high, but it's also ATR. So maybe you could have a small trade, a small long trade, or I mean, if you're short here, this could be probably a scalp because I expect this to break probably because you see the bottom of the master candle has already been broken, so this could also break to the upside. I would be very careful, Christian, with shorting from this spot. I know this is a confluence point, but if you short it, it's more like a scalp trade, I think, than a positional trade. So be careful. Aravinda, shall we close Australian dollar trade which started Monday? I already closed it. I mean, I was profit stop. Price went up, so I was profit stop for some 20, 30 pips. I think it was 20, 26 pips. So I mean, it's still okay because Australian dollar range was very, very small. Guys, now I will explain something that is very important. And I see there are a lot of people here, so even better to explain these kind of things. You see, Australian dollar range is 50 pips. If you take 50% of ATR, it's great. So for Australian dollar, taking 25 pips is good. For euro dollar, taking 40 pips is great. But you see now, let's open the dragon. You need to go with, you see, 135. So 65 to 70 pips is great. You know, the bigger the ATR, your target is also bigger. But you need to understand the main principle. The main principle. You cannot treat the same euro dollar and other currencies simply because the ATR is not the same for each currency. Always try to aim for 20, 30 to 50% of ATR in pips. So if you see 135, you can make like 65, 70 pips and be very happy with it. If you see here, if you make 30, 40 pips, it's still good because the ATR doesn't allow you to make more pips. Simply, traders are always neglecting the main fact with trading. It's not what you think you should make. It's what market gives you, the opportunity which market gives you. Yes, Angel, gold is in profit indeed. It's going towards our target. Our sell spot was here. Now you see that the gold is making moves. It's like 8-9 pips in profit. Let's see, maybe we will protect the trade. Well, you see, I mean, it's wolf wave. Trade what you see, not what you think. So it's going down. So why not? I mean, it's in the profit, and it's moving faster than euro dollar. So yeah, definitely gold is in profit, but I would still leave it a little bit more. So let's wait. You need to be patient, as I say. You can protect your profit if you want. You can protect your profits. It made a move, but you see now the price is very hard to break previous resistance. Now you can protect your profits if you want. I will ensure that some of my profits are there. I will move my stop loss to 12.69. Yeah, no. I will still be waiting for this. This is very small profit, so really I'm not interested to make very small profit here. I would rather wait with this. I don't know about longs, because you see that I am short here. So Angel, I will respect my entry order. So if I'm short, I will stay short. I really don't. I really will not change my bias for few pips. Now the gold is moving again. It's moving again, but again we need to wait. We need to wait. Euro dollar is 3 pips in that round. Gold is in small profit. It's trying to get towards our target. We are still waiting. We will see definitely what will happen. So now guys, if you want to protect your trade, you can do it. You can place your stop loss to break even, or you can leave it as it is. Okay. So we have 2 trades running. We will see what will happen. I will probably protect my trade very soon. You see, I'm in a profit, and go and here. Okay, I might. It's 50%. So yeah, here I took some small profits on gold. You can protect your trade, but either way, I closed my short. I made some small profits, but it depends, of course, how big your entry was. Mine was minimal, but I actually entered here and closed my trade here because I used profit stop. I was profit stop here. The final TP is here, so I still made more than 50% of target here. So you see now the price is breaking. Maybe it will hit full target, but as I say, I was profit stop here. And my euro dollar trade, I think I will be in profit. Whatever I will tell you guys, I will at least make 15 or 20 pips here. My final target is, I will see how the price will react to 1260 or 1280, but somewhere here will be my target. I will protect my trade after 15 to 20 pips of profit. You need to understand why, because the ATR is 80 pips. So if I make 40 pips, it will be 50% of ATR. I want to make at least 15 to 20 pips on my euro-dollar trade. Don't forget, this is intraday trading. And when you trade intraday, you need to use ATR. So have in mind, this is very, very good. I know how to do it, and I'm telling you that other people are simply neglecting it. They won't tell you anything about the ATR. They don't know how to use the ATR. Okay, so we can conclude the webinar. We had, and for some people, maybe you're still in gold short. I made profits here on live webinar on gold. I was profit stop for profit. I have a euro-dollar long, 12.21 is the entry. Stop loss 11.88. And final trade setup is dollar-yen. I will sell. I will make a pending sell. So I will sell it at 111.20. Hazel is asking for ATR rules. I don't have the time to fully explain ATR because I already explained in the webinar. You can find it in price action training school. But just quick information, the ATR is great volatility indicator. It predicts based on algorithm. It predicts price projections to the low side and high side. If you manage to make 50% of ATR in profit, it's great. So if dollar yen is 86, if you manage to make 43 pips on dollar yen, it's great. Always try to manage in between 20 and 50% of ATR. Sometimes you will manage to make more, but focus on that. And that is the confluence also for your targets. So you see now gold trade is very close to final TP. I already closed my trade, but guys, if you're in profit, think about closing your short gold trade. Euro dollar long, couple of pips in a drawdown, but I'm still waiting. Very easy to trade, you see, when you trade relaxed. This webinar will be uploaded, it's recorded, and just follow me on Unreal Markets and Forex Street. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook. You will always see live updates, and we will do these live trading sessions each week. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Angel, for your compliments, and thanks everyone for the compliments. Let's wait for the price to develop. I wish you a great trading day. I hope that our euro-dollar trade will come in profit. Cheers, everyone, and talk to you soon. Trade safe.